Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Football is where we begin. Group 1 leaders at Kingston College will secure their semi-final spot in the look to secure their semi-final spot in the Asa Manning Cup competition this afternoon when they battle St. Catherine High. KC are atop the group with 4 points after a draw and a win, while St. Catherine are at the foot of the table. Second place Stats will battle Mona High in the group's other quarterfinal match this afternoon. Both matches are scheduled to kick off at 3 p.m. Now on Saturday from Group 2, St. George's College will look to continue their unbeaten run in the competition when they face defending champions Jamaica College. Hydel will also oppose Tivoli Gardens. St. George's they are atop Group 2 with 4 points, the same as Hydel, but with a superior goal difference, while JC are third with 3 points. Those matches will also start at 3 p.m. Multiple Olympic and World Championship medalist Shelly-Ann Frazer-Pryce has made an impassioned plea for safer inner-city communities across Jamaica, including Waterhouse. Speaking at the recent Pocket Rocket Foundation Gala and Fundraiser in Kingston, Frazer-Pryce noted that this is an area in which the foundation is striving to create an impact.
I remember when I was in high school and it was time to go home from track meets. In the night, usually I'll be the last person to be dropped off because I lived in Waterhouse. And I'm sure for a lot of persons at that time, I live in Waterhouse and I don't want to go there all the time because it wasn't safe. But I want it to be safe. I want to show people that no matter where you're from or what's happening, you can decide that you want to change the cycle. You want to cause change. You want to have an impact.
Meanwhile, the community of Waterhouse in St. Andrew is set to benefit from the construction of a first-class multipurpose sports court through the Pocket Rocket Foundation. Frazer-Pryce, who hails from the community, says this is one of the many projects being undertaken by the foundation for which she is the founder.
You're looking at the court that we want to build in Waterhouse, a recreational court, that because of your seed and your funding and your hope that you are giving will help us build that court.
To the field we go. Jamaica Gold will face Puerto Rico this afternoon on day 2 of the Palace Sixties Cup, a 3-day lacrosse event being held at the Mico University College. The teams will do battle at 12:15. Now, Jamaica had sent out 2 teams, green and gold, in the men's section on Thursday's opening day, with the gold team getting 2 wins on the day, defeating U.S. Virgin Islands 19-8, and also getting the better of Mexico 16-15. Jamaica's women will also be in action this afternoon at 3. Meanwhile, coach Mark Wilson says he was pleased with the team's performances on the opening day.
You know, I'm really happy with the way the guys played. This is everyone in this group's first major sixes experience, so we have a lot of learning to do. But the guys played with a lot of heart, a lot of energy, but most importantly, like super disciplined in the key moments. You saw the way we ended the game, holding it and getting that last goal, knowing that they could probably go back and score. It was critical to get that 2-goal lead, so we wouldn't go into overtime. So I'm really proud of the effort by everybody.
And that's where we leave the field of play for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shamela, back to you.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.